Hi guys, I'm looking for Easter eggs and some bunny left me a map. We're gonna be looking for treasure. I'm very excited. Let's see what's here. Bunny's treasure hunt. Whoa, I can see our house. Look guys, we're here, up here, up over there, here and here. And here's the treasure. Let's change the outfit and let's go outside. I'm ready. Let's go. Let's find the eggs. We are here in the house, here, but we haven't found a fountain. Here. I think we're here now. I know. Small slime spider zombie Steve. Open it! Open it! Open it at home. Just look at it. It's the prettiest. Welcome to Minecraft, but it's Legos only. Happy Easter, guys, and thank you, buddy. Now, guys, we are home and we are going to open this Minecraft and Roblox. Yeah. Thank you, bunny. Thank you, bunny. And actually, I have a bunny on my head. I know. You can see robots on my head. So first we open robot. Then let's get started opening and building all of this. Liam, can I please make the viddies? Robot. Oh my god. How many constructions are here? I see a robot, a glider, and a giant airplane. So Liam, what do you want to build first? The robot, the glider, or the giant airplane? Robot. So Liam wants me to build this one. It can be hard. And the robot. Okay Liam, now I'm gonna build it. Yep. Maybe it's this? This? Please. No, Liam. Guys, this is the robot we've made. Now look at me. Look, now we're going to open the Minecraft, so let's start opening.
A few moments later.
So, take a look at this. I am done. And I'm take a look at all of that. I put the spider right here. Look at all this. Look right here, that's cool. There's little slime called Blobby, and the spider web with torches. Steven zombie with spider on top of the shore trying to eat him. Yum yum yum. But this is a secret. Right here, it's not just a block. It's a trap. So I can see you guys in the next video. Comment down below if you want to see more videos about me. So like and subscribe. Bye guys.